As of 2025, AnyDebrid positions itself as a completely free way to unlock high-speed downloads from over 100 popular file hosting sites like RapidGator, NitroFlare, and Up2Box. No account, no installation, and no payment required. Just paste your link, click Generate, and you'll receive a fast download instantly. Based on user reviews and testing, AnyDebrid is quick, easy to use, and works well for those who only need premium links now and then. Downloads are encrypted for privacy, and you can access up to 10 premium links per day without any limits on file size. It's ideal for users who want convenience without the commitment of a subscription. That said, there are some downsides. While many users report smooth performance, others mention broken files or endless redirects which can make the service feel unreliable. A few have even called it a scam, though feedback is mixed and could be due to misunderstandings or one-off issues. If you need consistent and stable downloads, this free tool might not measure up to paid services. Speaking of which, paid options like RealDebrid, AllDebrid, and Premiumize generally deliver more dependable performance, broader support for hosters, streaming features, and stronger customer service. They also tend to offer better privacy and media compatibility across devices, features AnyDebrid lacks since it's a web-only platform. To sum it up, AnyDebrid is a real no-cost link generator that's best for casual or occasional use. But if you're after consistent speed, advanced features, and better device integration, a paid service is likely a better investment. From a legal standpoint, AnyDebrid simply enhances access to hosting platforms. It doesn't condone or support piracy. Users should make sure they're downloading legally and respecting copyright laws. So, is AnyDebrid worth a try? If you're looking for a free, simple way to get faster downloads without any setup, it's a solid option. But for heavier use, paid Debrid services still take the lead in 2025. Thanks for tuning into this honest overview. Always choose tools that fit your needs and your legal responsibilities.